Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Scarlet Boom, Paul Sweeney. We're live here in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio, and we're streaming live on YouTube as Charlie's reporting stocks moving higher today. Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, the big one today, and it feels as though every day, we're looking at shares of Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Of course, we know that's a company that reported just last night after the closing bell, and we are really seeing a lot of people digesting this. You're really seeing this ricocheting across the market. We're seeing the market in the green. Nvidia shares up as much as 5.1%. This is after the company gave an upbeat forecast. And of course, it's really allaying a lot of those concerns that we were hearing about a potential bubble in terms of AI spending. So it seems to be soothing some of those fears here. So it'll definitely be interesting to see how this continues. But we are seeing shares of Nvidia up about 43% so far this year.
All right. Stock number two.
Stock number two, looking at consumer, WMT, that's Walmart. We've got that in focus. Shares up as much as 6.7%. So the company boosted its outlook, but they are also warning that higher costs are continuing to loom here. But I mean, this company raised its full year sales and profit outlook here. It's really just about what the consumer is able to spend on and grappling with this tough environment here. So you are seeing a lot of people trading down. So of course it's going to benefit a retailer like Walmart, but they also did talk about strong e-commerce performance. We are really seeing them venturing out similar to Amazon. They're trying to give you same day delivery. I was actually seeing that when I was scrolling on Walmart.com the other day here. So it's interesting as we're kind of seeing this broader retail trend here. Home Depot and Target saying that they were struggling, but then you've also got a lot of names coming out saying that things are going well. So we'll have to see as this continues next week. We'll hear from Kohl's, Abercrombie, Best Buy as well.
What I did not know is Bath & Body Works has a men's department. I didn't know they had one.
See, this is exactly what I said earlier. I didn't know that they do men grooming. Yep. Also hair products. Where have I been?
I don't know. I mean, Alex Steele once told me you have to invest in your face. I obviously missed that memo. Talk to us about Bath & Body Works.
Well, it's been a brutal year for them. I mean, shares on the year-to-date level down about 58%, but today down as much as 26%. This is the worst day for the stock and lowest level for the stock since 2020. This is after the company slashed its full year outlook. They're announcing a turnaround plan that they're really hoping to focus on its core business here, but the company is planning to leave some of the categories, including men's grooming and hair care, which of course Paul and I did not even know existed. But they are also planning to launch their brand on Amazon.com's web store. They're really just trying to lay out a transformation plan here. So we'll just have to see whether or not that actually works out for them here. But it seems as though the street is not liking that slash to the outlook here.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.